एक बार फिर स्वागत है आपका चटपटी बातें आयुषी के साथ। सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक ऑन अ थिन लाइन बिटवीन राइट एंड रॉन्ग। सो लेट्स सी what it is all about. Have you imagined what will happen if that thin line between right and wrong becomes a blur? Can any one of us imagine a world or a city where lies are tolerated, cheating is acceptable, and stealing is a part of life? Next, imagine a world or city where rules are ignored, traditions, cultures are disregarded, and laws are overlooked. People sacrifice their loyalty partly because of selfishness, partly because of ignorance, and partly because of negligence. Can you imagine the anxiety and worry that would result when everyone is alone behaving normally? What if people feel motivated to speak their mind regardless of whether they offend others by being cruel, disrespectful, or hurtful? That would change the way you view relationships, deal with business, and raise your children. Pretty ugly, right? This would actually happen when people will lower their standards and shut their eyes, ignoring immortality, and if there were no punishments or consequences of bad behavior. Immortality will increase so much that it would change the way we entertain ourselves. In that case, people can justify their actions by saying that the ant allows the means and that if everybody does it, it must be accepted, right? But unfortunately, this mindset will send a wrong message to everyone. Unacceptable conduct is now considered normal. Often it happens people say those hateful things in a joking manner to burst out their frustration or anger. Sometimes personal act debate mock them. None but we have blurred the distinction between right and wrong. The fact is, actions and words both have consequences, either positive or negative. When bad behavior isn't challenged or accused, then it becomes acceptable to act unacceptably. Like when a child commits mistake, be it destroying of cosmetics or throwing something in anger, then generally parents scold them so that the mistake is not repeated. But some pampered child doesn't get scolding, because of which this bad behavior becomes their habit right from the childhood, which is totally wrong in all aspects. When you don't speak up that you are busy and will call later, you are dragging it further. Why do accept any bad behavior at any stage? Stop once and that will not be repeated. If you will promote lie, then only it will grow more. But if you will give punishment for the same, it will stop there only. Often, bad behavior is accepted, traditions are broken, which desensitized immortality. All will become normal if not stopped at the earliest itself. If the same scenario will be continuing, it would be a nightmare to upbring good children, because they will adopt those things which they are seeing. They will be surrounded by all toxic peoples, negative role models, and so on. Is that all you want? You have the power to make a difference only when you will try. A famous proverb matches the situation. Charity begins from home. If not anyone else, then why not you start with a change? Kids' future depends on us how we behave, and our future depends on them how they will treat. It's a karma cycle that will come back to you. Be the role model, lead by example, and be the change. If you can't change the whole world, change the world around you. There is a huge difference between wrong and right. It's your job to point out and not to accept the wrong behavior and show the reality to those who have forgotten. Do follow me on all social media platforms: Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Spotify, and Pinterest with the name Scholar IU to keep yourself updated.